Hello friends, today we will do the unboxing and review of Jackley 31-in-1 screwdriver set. Before starting the actual video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So let's get started. So here is the box of Jackley 31-in-1 screwdriver set. I ordered it from ShopClues for 99 rupees and it is pretty cheap in price. So let's unbox it. It comes in a plastic box which has a tough and compact design. You can remove the upper cap by simply rotating it. It comes with 30 bits and one handle. These are the names of 30 different bits available in this product and they look like this. This is the handle. It has a premium look and it fits perfectly in the hand. It's light in weight and durable. It has good grip and also a magnetic holder to hold the different bits. The whole product is light in weight and you can carry it anywhere. Talking about the bits, it have most of the necessary bits. It has the star bit as well as the flat one and their finishing is very good. You just have to insert it in handle and it will fit in it. So finally, at this price range, this is a very good product. You can buy this on ShopClues. The links are given in description. So thanks for watching. Like this video, share it and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos.